For a number of years, I've been using a Jorgensen 8-inch reach Holdfast. The whole thing's down on my bench. When it came to my carving block, I felt that this was way too big. I mean, it would hang over to the edge, it would get in the way, I'd have to reach over top of it, whatever. So I was having to use bar clamps, hand screws, whatever I could come up with to hold stuff down on the top of this thing. Those two got in the way, you know, trying to use a V-tool or what have you. So I went out and I purchased a 4-inch reach Jorgensen number 1708 Holdfast. And I believe it works a whole lot better than the hand screws and bar clamps. Another method too is to nail everything down, but I don't want to mar my platform. So, just with a few whacks, this is on here, and voila, that's going nowhere. Just a couple whacks to get it off. Voila. Thanks for watching.